go.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, we've just passed around, say, 1:20, okay? And I'm at the Bala Lake in North Wales, and this is a must-see site. I mean, it's absolutely lovely. Look at the pathway, and look at the view. Look at the clouds. Look at the intermittent sun that is shining through the clouds, as you can see. And there you have it, the Bala Lake. Okay, so you can see it's absolutely beautiful. It's cloudy. It's not bad in the month of November, and it's a must-see site. And quite a few people are out there actually. They're viewing the site, and plenty of greenery. So here, where I'm standing, you can just see it's like more like low-level mountains, range around you, and then in front of me I can see some range mountains. So I'm right in the middle of the national park in North Wales. Okay, so I do recommend that please do come with your families and friends. Enjoy this site to the full extent. Thank you very much.